Does these flags represent the beauty of the women that live in these countries? The answer is no. These flags represent countries only. American women and Indian women are quite different. I have put together two logos that can represent the beauty of American women and Indian women. India's culture is among the world's oldest civilization, and it has survived for over 4,500 years. Furthermore, the beauty of Indian women has been passed down from generations. This logo represents the clean and elegant skin of Indian women. As you can see, this logo visual communication can be seen in large or small scale. The soft colors symbolize Indian women are friendly and hospitable. I chose to use the word beauty in this logo because it has a global iconic meaning. The word beauty never needs to be defined in any country, and in India, the word beauty is Sundara. America is considered to be one of the most culturally diverse countries in the world. It is said to be and known as the melting pot. This logo, the silhouette of a woman, represents the multicultural, multi-age, and multi-generation of women. As you can see, the visual communication can be illustrated on a small and large scale. The darkened silhouette with the necklace of flowers symbolize the pure and simple beauty of women. The iconic word beauty explains itself. The visual attraction from the black bold letters of this word will cause every man, woman, and child to remember this logo. Comparing the two logos, both represent the beauty of American women and Indian women. Both express strength, inspire boldness, and shows the character of the women who represent these countries. The flower in the Indian logo represents the meekness and hospitality of Indian women, while the silhouette in the American logo represents the boldness of American women. While the American audience will recognize the Indian logo as beautiful and elegant, they might interpret Indian women as meek and submissive. Likewise, Indian audience will recognize the American logo as beautiful and bold, but may interpret American women as being aggressive and disrespectful. This is the end of my presentation. I hope you did enjoy it. Thank you.